Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials done fast. Open HOK, sign in, and grant mic access so audio works. Once done, plug in your headset or pick your phone mic and run a quick level test, aiming around -6 decibels so others hear you clearly. Then join the channel using the invite link or channel code. Make sure to set push to talk if you want control, or switch to open mic when you need continuous conversation. Once inside, configure the in-call controls to keep the chat smooth. Select the correct input and output devices and set volumes so no one pegs the meters. Use noise suppression and echo cancellation to remove background hum. Apply a speech EQ preset to emphasize voice frequencies. Make sure moderators are assigned and recording or stream permissions are set if needed. This prevents accidental mutes or bans and keeps the conversation organized without surprises during a live session. To finish, stop any recording, revoke temporary permissions you granted, and leave the channel so settings reset for next time. If audio quality drops, first check your internet upload speed and ensure no heavy apps consume CPU, then inspect headset cables and Bluetooth connections. A quick, reliable troubleshooting step is to restart HOK, reconnect your audio device, and toggle noise suppression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.